I like how my mom.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
I'm doing aesthetic vlogs. Don't interrupt like that. They're bursting crackers. My mom burnt her dress while bursting these. There. Oh, Sutra. She burnt her neck also. Nice. Simply scope. I will hold cracker in hand when it's bursting, it seems. Announce Satyandri, please.
Eventually.
Okay, that's all. Thanks. You know this festival is big when there's police vehicles here. I want to go dance. That's okay. Nandi call. I don't know what it's meant for though. That's my mom.
ಸರಿ ಕಾಲಾಗ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ
Yeah. Heart attack I got. We are going to see the Ter, which is the main event of this Jatre that I've come to. And we are again going barefoot. And it's painful and annoying. Mummy, opinions on Banatti Jatre? Sum Nadile. So that is my mom's opinion on Banatti Jatre. Sum Nadi. And that's the Ter. And these are the number of people here. Jai COVID. Nice, but I'm wearing my mask, so is my mom. But that's that. We came up to some random person's terrace. We don't even know who they are, but here we are on the terrace, lol. And there are so many people, at least 200. Yeah. Okay, thousands it seems. Thousands of people here. And they're all excited to see the chariot move from one place to another. That's all that's going to happen. I'll show you how it is. Hold on. So that's the number of people that are there. Okay, there are more here. There's still people coming and going. That's a whole lot. Wait, let me, yeah. That's the whole lot. There are people there also. The people are there in random terraces. And that's a chariot and that's going to move from here to like maybe a little front over there. That's all. And there's so many people to visualize that. Here I am also to visualize that.
Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait.
Oh, they're actually pulling girl. Okay, I thought some horse and all will be there.
Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be home soon. I don't wanna wait no more.
morning. Now I can see myself. I did a very cool green eyeshadow look, which looks fine, I guess, for this outfit. It's very random, but there it is. Today we are going to kids function. Yes, kids function. Wait, I want to show you my outfits. I feel pretty. Right. Okay, so shadily my aunt has put my name for some solo dance. And I hope I can do it nicely. I have horrible stage fear, so I don't know how the dance is going to turn out to be. And here we have my mommy who's matching me. And here is the function, very pretty, no? Full lights and all they've put. And they're sitting there. It's actually in a temple. So it's this kids function today. Those are all the preparations. I don't know if you can hear me though. All these people are here and they expect me to dance in front of all of them. Whoop whoop!
ನಿನ್ನ ಕಷ್ಟವೆಂಬ ಪದರ ಹರಿಸಿ ಪಾಲ ಮಾಡೋ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನೆನೆದೆನು ಗಣಪ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ
He's a topper, it seems. Finished my dance and they're going to give me something, it seems.
ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹಂಗ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಾಪಿ ಅದು
Nice.
ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ನಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು
Food. My blouse piece and they put kumkuma on my kumkuma on my head.
ಮತ್ತೆ
So I came home and I wanted to make a reel on women and that did not go well with this dupatta at all. It was flying and something only happened off. Yeah, and I kept forgetting the dance, but yeah, whatever. I had to perform, very lame it was, and I got some solo pictures clicked as mentioned, but I think I'm gonna get them tomorrow. But I'm back home and happy. Time to change and look normal. We're going to eat ice cream. I'm excited. I've been wanting to eat ice cream since so many days. So Pawan is taking us to eat ice cream. And I'm wearing a t-shirt dress and they made me wear a pant below it. So now it just looks something, man. Yeah. See you there. कितने लोगों मारे ice cream it seems.
फोटो लगाते हो और वीडियो बनाते हो
Video मनाते हैं. Chocolate choco chips ice cream. So does he. Balloons. One is mine and one is Rachna's, small 3-year-old kid. Mom's playing with it now. Hi, everyone's shouting again as usual. But today we're going to go see a river and this trip is especially for me and everyone obviously. And the back you can see is my cousin's back. I don't know if the audio is fine or not, but I'm still going to take this in case. So everyone's here. Hi. They're not bothered to wait. And there are like few more people. I think it's better to do the introduction once we get down from this rickshaw. There are like 1, 2, 3, 12 people. Yeah. This is one short rickshaw. Nice, no? The river and this is what we are seeing.
ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಜಿವರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಜಿವರ
And this is the Krishna river. Yeah. They clearly over-exaggerated on saying it's far. I thought really it would be like a 2-hour trip, but it was like what, 15 minutes, more or less. That's all. Yeah, which is kind of sad. And they're doing fishing here too, which is cool. But it seems my cousin's giving knowledge to all of you. This is the cousin. They're doing puja now. There's some god there, I think. I don't know. My mom's shouting photo tagi. Outfit of the day. I have this shirt which I don't know where I bought from. Ali Cooper jeans. I'm a new chopper man. They're doing some puja that side. And my ass is one chappal and come up. So I can't go very close to God, but I can go somewhere. A job to throw this banana into the river, so let's do it, man. God bless. My earrings are not seen. How was the river? My mom is responding. Next stop, dairy farm. So, my cousin sister works there. Nandini, yeah, Nandini is dairy farm. So, I think she's my cousin. Mami, Sunya karenge na bro? Cousin sister only, yeah. But she's married and has a kid, so still cousin only, yeah. My generation, people are getting very old and that's causing insecurity in my body. So, I'll see you once we go there and the road is not the best. So, my phone's going on like this. Okay, bye. Sunyaka's factory. Yeah, and so I will show you how milk is done inside, I guess. Milk is not made, milk is made by the cows. I mean the procedure and things. Cool stuff, maybe. Let's see what even actually happens inside. Okay. So this is the Nandini factory. Practically own it, man. So hot. I don't even know why it's so sunny. It's not even summer. It's like starting of October, man. Right, I thought we could make vlogs and all inside, but sadly it's not allowed. It's a government place. So I thought I'll just tell you what we actually saw. Saw how they make milk powder, ghee, butter, jamun powder. You know, Nandini makes all this kesar, doodh and all that things, no? That. And they took us to the storage room, which was like minus 21 degrees Celsius. And when I tell you, I couldn't last 5 minutes in there. Dude, I couldn't breathe only, man. It was so hard. On top of that, my mom's standing in front of this fan, which is like releasing this minus 21 degrees Celsius air, okay? My majgi, buttermilk, so time to drink this. Very nice though. And my feet are burning, but they're so shiny, it looks so cute. So apparently this is called the kalas and I have to throw this at that. So yeah. So we're going to get my ears pierced. And I'm very scared of needles. I feel like I will hit everyone who's there who's trying to poke me. And they are not going to do the gun, they're just going to take the gold and just like poke it inside. And I hope it doesn't hurt. I know it's going to hurt a little. And we have to call Pawan for holding the vlog camera so that I can vlog it for me. And let's watch me get my ears pierced and let's see actually what happens. I have big toes. Never mind, you can't see it anymore. I'll show it once it's on my ear. I got my ears pierced. But this one's a little too close, so we are going to get another one on top. here I am editing my vlog for tomorrow, and here they are cleaning the whole house. Yeah. So I think they're gonna take the Ganpati and put it in the well. Bhavya Gartalo. Yeah. So Ganesh Chaturthi ends today for them here. Oops. Toga. She's putting rangoli. So talented my sister is.
गणपति बप्पा मंगल मूर्ति गणेश गणेश गणपति बप्पा मंगल मूर्ति
We're bursting crackers.
गणपति बप्पा 1 2 3 4
So that's the well, it seems so clean, I know. I think we're done and we're gonna go back now. So we're finally here at the temple. The temple for what the Jatri is about. Right, and there are like 2 doggos following me because I pet them. My camera is not doing justice. It looks visually more pleasing than this. And there's my mom trying to take a photo. Well, it's she's sleepy. Well, it is currently 11:15 in the night, 11:15 p.m. So all the Jatre shops have been closed. They bribed me into coming to the temple only for the Jatre shops, and they closed now. I'm sad.
The next day.
To the bangle shop. Many pretty bangles. And I chose these. I'm buying these also. So hot. But we did a lot of shopping today. Instead of night, we did it now in the hot boiling sun. And it's not like this humidity. It's just the sun and we are being air fried. Okay, that's how hot it is. I think it's at least like 40 degrees Celsius. And we're drinking sugarcane juice right now. Hi, Mummy. Mummy. And I have this on because it's very hot. I know, but. Very.